Yo, what's up, guys? And it's Jinx here. Welcome to the cell, aka Carter. I'm doing this for a project, so if it's up on YouTube, that's why. This right here is a picture of the cell itself. What's about to pop up is called cytoplasm, and I'll let it pop up before I talk more in depth. Alright, so cytoplasm kind of keeps everything in the cell. It kind of keeps everything stable too. It's like a foundation in a way. It's like the glue. It keeps everything where it doesn't move from place to place unless it's supposed to. But it also helps transport stuff from place to place as well within the cell. And I'm gonna let Cameron pick it up on the nucleus.
Alright, so it's me, and this is the picture of the nucleus, and pretty much the nucleus is in the center of the cell, and it controls what goes on in the cell, all the activity that goes on, and it's pretty much like the brain of the cell, so to speak. So yeah, Carter.
Alright, so my next one is the mitochondrion. This right here, this picture of the mitochondrion is zoomed in. The mitochondrion is a smaller part in the cell. It kind of looks like a bacteria in a way, but it looks like kind of its own cell in a way. But anyway, it produces energy for the cell, and yeah, I'm gonna throw it back to Cameron for ribosome.
Alright, ribosome. A ribosome is a little thing. Sometimes you can find it attached to the ER, the rough ER. I'm pretty sure it attaches itself to that. But all it does pretty much is just make protein to go throughout the cell. And yeah, Carter, you go ahead.
Alright, so we have right here the Golgi apparatus. Here's a picture of it in 3, 2, 1, bang. So, anyway, it's folded like this, as you can see, and basically all it does is it takes proteins and puts them together for the cell so we can store it. And I mean, that's basically all it does. So here's Mr. Cameron with cell membrane.
Let me just go ahead and clear my throat there. Okay, so this is the cell membrane. Here comes a picture of it right about now. And the cell membrane is the inner layer of the wall, pretty much. The cell membrane is like a gateway. It lets things in and out of the cell, like the border patrol, kind of. So, Carter, you can go ahead and pick it up.
Alright, so a lysosome basically is the cleaning part of the cell. You'll see a picture of it right here. And so yeah, like what it does is it just sits there, and I mean, it doesn't sit there. It moves throughout the cytoplasm, and it's like one of the only ones that can do that. And it eats up the dead waste and things of that nature. Here's a vacuum.
Alright, so you're about to see a picture of a vacuole here in just a minute. And so pretty much a vacuole, what it is it's the biggest organelle in the cell, and it stores things like water and protein, and it also stores waste and gets rid of it. So here's Carter with the skeleton.
You messed it up, but yo, it's the ER. It's good, bro. And the ER, basically what it does is like sometimes it can take waste out, but most of the times it's used to take strands of proteins and strand them in, as well as like shoot them across the cell. So yeah, here's the central by Kim.
Alright, so here in just a moment, because Carter gave me a good extra 15 seconds. Alright, here comes the central. Here's a picture of it right about now. And what it does, it organizes chromosomes throughout the cell. And it is used when the cell divides for both mitosis and meiosis, whatever. But here goes Carter again.
Alright, so you're about to see the cytoskeleton. And so the cytoskeleton, what it kind of does is it like holds the shape of the cell, so that way it's, you know, like normal as every other cell. And you can see those little squiggly lines right there, excuse me. And basically it's a protein that, you know, it's protein strands that help hold the cell together. But I hope you have enjoyed our video, and hopefully our project's good. This is Jinx and Cameron. And yeah, we hope we get 100. And see ya.